me Chaaranvi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an experiment. 2 experiments. So let's start. First one is you have to take 1 matchstick. Yes. Now put it in the water. Now let's dip few matchsticks. Now we kept 3 matchsticks into the water. Now let's see if it fires. If it can light. No, it can't light. Now, no, it can't light. Now here, no, it can't light. Now I'm going to take another one to another experiment. This experiment, let me take out these 3 and I'm going to apply toothpaste and dip it in the water. The same experiment only. I have applied toothpaste to the matchstick. Now I am going to dip it in the water. Now I have taken 4. Now let's wait. Now I'm going to take out these. Let me wipe out this toothpaste. I will take my mother's help to lighten it. Now it lightened. Now my mother is lightened up. Yeah, it can lighten up. Now I'm going to take the 3rd one. Have you seen this experiment, how it works? Now I'm going to wipe this out. Now it lighten up. See? Now I'm going to show you another experiment. So let's start. Now I'm going to take these or these. Now I'm going to take these only. Take 2 matchsticks and punch a small hole. We have to place like this. Now I'm going to take a matchstick. I'm going to take the help of my mother. The slant line matchsticks. See, can you see this? The slant line matchstick already brown off. See, it is flying. See.